So YouTube land, gonna do a short video on my Ozark Trail LED 1000 lumen camping light. It's actually a work light, but I'm using it for camping, so stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoy this review. So I come across this item from Walmart. It's called the Ozark Trail Portable LED Work Light. It's 1000 lumens. Here it is here. So I got this for, the price was $22.44 on sale. So here's the work light. It's rechargeable. It's got 1000 lumens. It comes with, looks like it's got a stand that it swivels on, and you can spin this down so you can lean it like up against something. Has a USB charger with, it looks like a micro USB cable. You can see that here. And this is my review on it. It's got the power button on off here. It's really bright. As you can see, it lights up everything. I don't want to blind you, but you can see the type of light that it emits. Like, that's really bright. So I got this 1000 lumens, seems to be pretty light. Enough light that it will work to light up an area, camping, table. So I figured I'd give it a shot and try it out. But it's got 3 settings. You just gotta hit the power button again one more time. It dims, and then it's got a strobe, like an emergency beacon. And then off. You just gotta keep tapping the same button a few times. So put the light back on. The lighting was a little poor in here. So we're gonna get into the unboxing on this. Gonna open it up for you. Let me get a pair of scissors here. I'm going to cut this open. It seems to be pretty heavy duty. The package is, it's packaged really well. The light has some weight to it. It's not like one of those cheap Harbor Freight lights that is really light, very plasticky. This one feels like it's got some strength to it. Seems like it's pretty durable. It's actually got some rubber gripping. The corners are all rubber in case you probably drop it and bang it around. Probably withstand a drop on the ground or some impact. This is all rubber right here. This is rubber. Okay, so there it is. I'll take it out of its case. Seems to be wrapped pretty good. It looks like it has a zip tie here holding it on. Well, let me cut this. Take a look at it. So, as you can see, there's the part that opens up. You can lean it. Lean it on something. It's got the USB cable with the micro USB to micro USB. It's got a little slot in the back here, as you can see. Pop this thing open. You can plug it in here. It's got the charging port, which is right here. Let's focus so you can see that. See that? Here's the charge port, the micro USB. See the micro USB right there? And it's got the regular USB. Not sure what the regular USB is for. USB output charging port. So maybe, I think you can plug something into it and use the battery on this. to actually charge something else, maybe like a flashlight or a phone, a cell phone. Again, this is the Ozark Trail portable LED work light. Okay, so I took this camping over the weekend and I gave it some trial and tribulations. It seemed to hold up really well to the test. I dropped it a couple times and the charge held for pretty much the whole weekend. I was running the light by average about 3 hours a night or so, and it seemed to work really well, so I'm pretty happy in my purchase. I definitely recommend you guys looking for a nice bright LED solution. This would be it, especially for show up money. I think I paid $23 for it. I'm going to put the link in the product link in the description so you can see. All right.